What's going on, y'all? Back again. Hope you guys are doing well. Got a new video for you guys today. And in today's video, I got something planned. Got a new lake that I'm going to be fishing today. And it's a pretty big lake. It's about half a mile from the north side all the way to the south side. I'm going to do my best today to fish this entire lake. I'm going to walk around, find some spots that I like with some maybe cover, such as this tree behind me. I'm seeing some stuff over there as well. I actually walked up here just to check out this spot real quick, and I'm not sure if he's still here. He probably is, but around right here, I saw a very, very large peacock bass. So the water here is a little bit stained, dirtier, so I'm gonna probably throw on some brighter colored baits. But anyways though, y'all, stay tuned for this whole new lake that I'm gonna be fishing. I'm gonna see what's in here, what ends up biting. And anyways though, got a good one. I'm excited to try this new lake here. I'm really interested to see what I end up pulling up out of here. And anyways though, I'm gonna get right into fishing. Alrighty, y'all, just found a little spot that I'm gonna try here. Looks a little bit deeper right in front of me. Looks like there's a drop off here. So I'm gonna start out with this little Dives 2-4 crankbait. And this little I forgot the color. But anyways though, can try out this little crankbait here, see if there's anything that wants to hit a moving bait. And without further ado, I'm gonna get into this cast. Oh, there's a fish already. Wow, on my first cast. It's a largie. Good largemouth. Decent one. Oh yeah. Well, would you look at that? On my first cast, I got a good largemouth, guys. Alrighty, on that little crankbait there. Check this out, y'all. On my first cast. That's a good sign, good start. Seems they're liking the moving baits right now. Alrighty, it's a good little largie to start the little afternoon. Gonna get that release on this fish here. Alrighty, y'all, so there's the first fish to start the morning. Gonna get the release on this bass here. There he goes. That was a quick start, y'all. Not sure if that fish was hunting or if they're all hidden moving baits right now, but I'm gonna get right back out there now. Let's see. I'm liking what I see with this spot. Appears to be a lot of rock around here, fair amount of structure, so it's a good place to hold fish close to the shore. So what I'm going to be doing basically a lot is casting parallel with the shoreline, seeing if there's anything underneath some of these rocks and whatnot. And overall, in general, so far, good start with that one fish. Like I was saying, it's a fairly big lake. There's a lot of water to cover here, so how I'm gonna start, like I was saying, is I'm just gonna start out with moving baits, cover the water real good, run this crankbait around, see if there's anything that wants to hit it. Oh, it's just a little bass, y'all. Just a little bass. this out, y'all. There's a snake down there. Alrighty, y'all. It is extremely hot out right now. Got that first fish right off the bat. Had a second one, hit my crankbait, ended up popping off. Fishing around this culvert right now. Right there. Pretty much it's culvert. But it is hot outside, like I was just saying. It's the middle of the day right now. Might not be the best time, but definitely gonna find the fish around here somewhere. About to make my way to the other side of the lake, see what's going on. But anyways though, quick little update, how it's going. But anyways though, stay tuned and gonna find the fish somewhere. Seemed actually, real quickly before I stop talking, I went back to that first spot I caught that bass, and actually I ended up getting another bite there on this one bait here. So I'm using this bait a lot right now, seeing if this is the go-to bait of choice. And anyways though, stay tuned and let's see. Should be able to find a couple more fish here. Alright, so just found a good amount of peacock bass right at the end of this boat ramp here. So let's see. Alright, so that peacock bass is looking at it. Woo. Those peacock bass down there are real aggressive right now, so should be pretty easy to get them to bite. I'm gonna try slowly swimming this across his face. It's a little crankbait here. Actually, there he is. That's a good one. That's a real nice one, y'all. Check this out. Alrighty, there we go. On that little Dives 2-4 crankbait. That's actually a good sized peacock bass. One of the bigger ones I've caught in the last few months. But anyways though, he smashed this little crankbait as soon as I swam it over his head. He was hauling that bait. There we go, y'all. Peacock bass on the Dives 2-4 crankbait by Rapala. And that is a good one. I'm gonna get the release on this fish here. And yeah, that's what I was looking for right here. Something a little better, but all right, release time on that fish. All right, here's that peacock bass I just got here, and definitely a good one there. Gonna get that release here, right at this, I guess you could call it boat ramp. Oh, he bit down on my thumb. Alrighty. This isn't part of the lake I was fishing, but it's right next to it. Now, there's a little school of them down there I'm seeing, so let me see if I can get another one to bite here. They're just sitting here at the edge of this ramp or whatever it is. One of them swipe headed just again there. So far, one little largemouth, the other one popped off, but it was real small. Had a couple other bites, and now just got this peacock bass here. Ooh, you smashed that. All right. It's another one. That one's a little smaller. All right, look at that one. Another one there. On that Dives 2 Rapala crankbait here. And he literally smashed this bait. Hit that thing real hard. But alrighty, this peacock bass number 2. And I'm gonna get the release on that fish here. I'm gonna go head over to the lake now, and I'm gonna see what else I can find. Alrighty, y'all. Here's that peacock bass. Going in for the release now. There he goes. So yeah, that peacock bass crushed it. Right at the edge of this ramp where you can't see anymore. All of a sudden, bam, fish was on. But alrighty, gonna head over to the lake now. I'm gonna see what's up. I was noticing now that a lot of that lake is very difficult to fish this side. I'm walking my way down there to a couple spots I saw that I can fish yet, but in the meantime, there's this little canal here that I'm able to fish. So I'm seeing a good amount of peacock bass around this canal. Seeing a lot of life here, which is good. So I'm gonna make a couple casts around here as well. See what's around. Yeah. I'm gonna make my way over to that spot in the lake that I saw I can stand at and fish. So let's see what ends up happening. Oh, there he is. All right, slid down the hill to get this little fish. But anyways though, been seeing this little teeny bass down here coming in and swimming around, so decided to throw this little jerkbait in front of him, and exactly what I thought, he was right on it. But anyways though, wow, I'm surprised I didn't end up losing that fish. I slid down that hill, but anyways, that's a real small one. Didn't get the release on that fish there. But anyways though, about to get to the end of this lake. Unfortunately, there wasn't many places to fish on this side like I'd hoped. Still, I know there's one spot down there at the end. I'm about to get there. There's one spot a little bit that I passed. I'll try that on my way back, but I didn't really like how many ducks were over there, and I was thinking that maybe they were gonna possibly take away the fish from being there. So anyways though, I'm gonna go actually now head over to that spot at the end, and let's see. Good fish so far. I actually saw a couple snakehead here, but anyways though, I'll see you guys at the end of the lake. This little part of the lake here that I'm gonna try. I'm not really sure exactly if there's anything in here. I'll did catch fish on the other side of this lake, so there's definitely fish in here, but right here, not so sure. So I'm gonna make a couple casts. I'm gonna see. There's a fish, y'all. Ooh, there's a good one. He crushed this crankbait, y'all. Check this out. Look at the way he ate that one. Straight down in his mouth. Look at that. Oh yeah, there's a good one. This looks just like the one I caught on the other side. The one I caught on the other side had a mark right there on his side. Is it the same one? I don't know. It is highly unlikely because it was all the way on the other side over there. But anyways though, y'all, I'm gonna get the release on this fish here. And he crushed this crankbait. They seem to be liking these crankbaits a lot here. Oh my gosh, he crushed this so much, y'all. It is all the way down in there, that second hook. I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna get the hook out of this bass here, and then I'm gonna get the release on him. Alrighty, y'all. Just got that bait out of this fish, and there y'all have it. On that Dives 2-4. They seem to be really liking this color, so I'm gonna get the release on that good bass there. And there's another fish for this new lake I'm fishing. Alrighty. There's that bass. Going back in. And there he goes. Caught that fish right about there, and I'm gonna cast back out here and see if there's any more fish held. Alrighty, y'all, so quick update, leaving that little spot. This lake, like I was saying, is very, very big, so I've definitely got my steps in for today. Oh, I like this spot right here too. It's a little iguana there, so I'll check that back on the way back. But anyways though, y'all, what I wanted to try out is that boat ramp right there. See if there's any fish there. The other boat ramp had a lot of peacock bass. So, gonna go over there now, check it out, and then I have fished this entire lake behind me. So, in total, yeah, I've definitely got my steps in for today. Well over a mile of walking. So, can't complain about that, I guess. But anyways though, about to hit up this boat ramp right here, and that's a big grass carp. I thought that was a mullet for a second. But anyways though, all right, I'll see you guys at the boat ramp. See if I can pull up any fish there. Alrighty, here we are, boat ramp. And not really sure what I'm gonna throw out to begin with here. But they've been liking that crankbait, so I'm gonna try that crankbait here. There's a fish. Woo. Playing dodgeball for that. Alrighty, y'all, so this fish here at this boat ramp spat the hook there and launched that bait straight at me. But anyways though, I'm gonna keep fishing and there should be more fish here. Alrighty, y'all. That's gonna do it for this video today. Ended up fishing a new lake, had some real good results, and they ended up really liking this old school Rapala DT6. Ended up getting 2 nice peacocks on it. Ended up getting a good largemouth bass on my first cast as soon as I got here. And funny enough, I'm wondering if I caught that fish twice today. Ended up catching a similar size on the other side of the lake. Had similar exact same scarring on the side of its body, so I'm not sure. Highly unlikely it was the same fish, but anyways though, overall in general, they were loving that color and crankbait. Threw out some other stuff, a couple small bites, nothing really. Ended up getting 1 fish on the jerkbait as well, but overall, good video for you guys. Good experience fishing this new lake. Good amount of fish, peacock bass, largemouth bass. Anyways though, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for content just like this. Fishing, outdoors, going out and about. Gonna maybe add some new stuff in the future as well. Looking forward to hopefully adding some off-roading and truck content soon. But anyways though, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.